Are you retired or planning to retire? Do you want your retirement to be the most prosperous possible? It's my passion and honor to help people on this road most every day, moving them from the promises of good advice to the power of guarantees. Promises are only do-it-yourself, that is, unreliable and unpredictable because it is a roller coaster. We transition you to the power of guarantees that only go up and never down. The power of guarantees are reliable and repeatable. The difference in your future begins with your expectations, few or many. Many have never been shown what benefits to expect from their money. But guarantees are by far the most important thing that you'll do for yourself because it's done for you. Who would offer guarantees in a do-it-yourself plan based in risk? Their disclaimer is evidence. Take a look. I'm able to help people with a small amount of money up to millions every month. The earlier the better for you because then the guarantees are on your side for doubling your money more rapidly. Happily, I believe it is likely to increase the size of your wealth by 10 times from the power of guarantees over the promises of good advice. It's intended to preserve, protect, and prolong your assets and income for the rest of your life. However, I believe the most valuable result for you will be removing the presence of greed and fear from your life and many of their close companions like stress and worry that are a virus that infects you and everyone around you. You will be able to walk for the rest of your life in the presence of peace and confidence, resulting in financial freedom and prosperity. The greatest wealth can be found in peace of mind. So click on the link below and learn how to improve your future, the most prosperous future possible.